Friends, neighbors, and of course the YouTube comments section. We've got a problem with our lab Gruppen IPX1200 amplifier where it will not pass audio. What happened, you asked? I have no idea. I went to turn this amplifier on to start a mix, and this is what's happening. So apparently, to restart the amplifier, to perform a factory reset for this, the memory fault indicator, all you have to do is turn the amp off, turn it back on, and hold the mute buttons. So let's see if that actually works. And just turned the rack off. We're going to hold the mute buttons. And this is saying, do you want to perform a factory reset? Now, I don't know what button you hit to say yes, so I don't know, mute, mount, back, factory default, there we go. Well, to me, that looks like it works. Hang on, I'm going to pass audio and we shall see. All right, so we're back at factory default, and let's see if we unmute. We have signal. I can hear signal. Seems that we are back to normal. So, although it's a little weird that this happened, I've probably only used this amplifier maybe a dozen times in a controlled studio environment. Hopefully this helps you if you find yourself in the same position. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.